Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn the difference between little and a little. Little means almost none or not enough. A little means a small amount that is enough. These quantifiers help us talk about uncountable nouns like water, time, and money. Little means almost none and not enough. It shows a negative idea. A little means a small amount and enough for the situation. It shows a positive idea. Both are used only with uncountable nouns. Little shows not enough. We have little time. This means almost no time left. Little water is left. This means not much water remains. I have little money. This means not enough money for needs. A little shows some is enough. I have a little time. This means some time available. Add a little sugar. This means put some sugar in. There is a little milk. This means some milk remains. Compare these sentences. Little time left means not enough time. A little time left means some time remains. The article a changes the meaning completely. Little is negative. A little is positive. Both little and a little use only uncountable nouns. Examples are time, water, money, sugar, milk. Little always has negative meaning. A little always has positive meaning. Never use with countable nouns. Use little with uncountable nouns for negative meaning. We have little time left. They showed little interest. There is little water. Use a little for positive meaning. I have a little money saved. She needs a little sugar. There is a little milk left. Remember the difference. Little means almost none with uncountable nouns and negative meaning. A little means small amount with uncountable nouns and positive meaning. Practice these to speak natural English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.